Happy New Year and welcome to the 2024 real estate market. I just want to do a quick recap on, what we saw in 2023 and kind of what the outlook is for 2024. Hi, I'm Brad Brethauer, team leader and broker associate for the Bret Group at eXp Realty. So in this video, what we're going to do is just kind of discuss what the numbers looked like at the end of 2023 compared to the year before, and then what things look like this year moving forward. So the statistics from last year's housing market in Dane County, the total sales were down 17%. So that was no mystery, to anybody. That was discussed all year long. Any of the videos or things I did, I talked about how the total sales were down and whatnot. However, with the total sales being down, the median sales price was still up 6%. So 6% is a pretty solid increase on a yearly basis. Now, if you're not comparing that to the previous, 2 to 3 years, that's above the average for a normal appreciation rate. Due to the high interest rates from last year, that's why we saw the median price gap close quite a bit from what it was before. So the Fed raised the rates. The whole intention was to, slow the housing market down. Well, it certainly did that. And obviously the problem was that it slowed down more people from wanting to list their houses. I heard so many people saying that they'd sell if the rates were lower, because now if they go to buy another house, they got to pay almost double in their rate. Well, we're starting to see some progress on that now. So looking into this year, early on here in January, total listings that have hit the market, from the first of the year till almost to the end of the month compared to last year is up 20%. So there's that many that have increased in that short time span. So that's a good sign that there'll be more inventory. However, that being said, you look at how many houses are actually on the market, there's still only 1 month. It's like 1.02, 1 month of inventory in all of Dane County. And a lot of the stuff that's on the market that you see that is new, there's some new construction coming from builders that are not even a real house that's for sale. It's a lot with a building plan and saying, make us an offer and we'll build you this house. So it's not even a real house that's on the market. So that might even be much less than 1 month of supply. So it's crazy. So far this year in 2024, the rates have come down and we're now below 7. And in some cases, you can get below 6s with certain types of loans. So definitely contact your favorite mortgage lender to figure out the exact rates. We use the Mortgage News Daily website to kind of track some of those numbers. And those numbers are usually a little higher actually than what they are, but I'm going based off of that. There's some, rates are coming down. Rates are predicted, as we've all heard, to come down even more throughout the year. And another thing I've said in previous videos, some information that I had read, is that mortgage rates typically or historically come down in the year of a presidential election. So here we are, and this is all signs point to this starting to tail down throughout this year. So best course of action as a buyer for sure is to get out there now with whatever you can find and try to get ahead of the game and try to find yourself a deal before all these buyers start jumping into the market. Because as these rates come down and more buyers start coming into the market, it's going to turn into what it was the last 2 or 3 years, and there's going to be bidding wars and prices are going to start coming up again. So the way to get around that is jump in when the rates are a little higher than they are normally or what you're used to, and that's where you're going to get your chance for your opportunities to purchase something at a decent price. If you're looking to move into a new home this year, a great option, better than anything right now, is to build a house. I know that doesn't suit everybody's price range, and if your budget's under $400, likely you're not going to be able to find something new construction-wise. However, I have seen some things $350 to $400, so there are some options. But if you're right around $500 or above, there's all kinds of options for you out there. Building a house is a lot less than you would think. So give us a call. I'd love to discuss and kick those numbers around with you. You'd be surprised at what you could build a house for these days. It's not quite what you would think. Any questions about the upcoming real estate market, or you got questions about selling your house, you can visit our website, sellwithbradbrett.com. If you're looking to search for homes, you can visit bradbrett.com. We have a home search link on there. And if you're looking to build a house, you can visit the link buildwithbradbrett.com. Look forward to hearing from you.